Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be going over this Wood Veneer Hub review. So I've had these slat panels, these wooden slat panels from Wood Veneer Hub for well over a year and a half now, and so this is my 1 year update on them. And so with these wooden slat panels, they're still holding strong. They really do help with the acoustics. And so just for some context, this width of the wall that you see right here is 12 feet, and then the height is 8 feet. So when I purchased my slat panels, it was around $1,000 for 6 pieces. I was able to get it on a discount, but with these wood veneer wooden slat panels, they really do look neat. And so this is like the visual of what my room looks like, or what my office looks like. So that wall is green. Over here we have the wooden slat panels, and then over there we have the black wall. So overall, I've been very pleased with it. I mean, after having worked within my office for well over a year now, I really don't have anything bad to say about them. Now, as far as like installing these goes, I just use some very simple drywall anchors, so you can barely see the black screws that are across in every single wall panel. There's about 6 hollow screws. So the screws, I'll leave a link down below in the description, but there are these screws over here. They're basically drywall screws. They blend in perfectly with the wooden slat panels. Anytime I've had someone come into my office, they don't really notice the screws at all. Now, something about my office though is that you can see that there's some give at the top, but really it's not noticeable. The way that I was able to cut these wooden slat panels is that I used the box cutter and I used a circular saw, and then I used like a jigsaw to actually cut out the electrical outlets that you see down over there. But overall, I'd say they were pretty easy to install, especially individually. Now for the right side that you see over here, this isn't felt. I actually had to paint this black just so that it would match my black wall as well. So it worked out perfectly, in which I made sure the left side of my wooden panels was flush against the left side of the wall, just because this wall was green. But then towards the right side, there was some extra space, and so I just ended up painting it black so that it would blend in seamlessly. But really, I don't have anything bad to say about the Wood Veneer Hub's wooden slat panels. These are an excellent choice. I'm very glad I went with them. You are probably going to have to cut them yourself, so using like a circular saw or a jigsaw should usually do the trick, and also a box cutter to cut the felt at some places. But overall, 1 year and a half later, I'm very happy with the wooden slat panels. Really don't have much else to say about that. But if you're on the fence of whether or not to get these wooden slat panels, I mean, check them out for yourself. I ordered one panel to begin with just to actually see how it would look on my wall, and I really don't have any regrets with it. They have different colors and different shades of wood, and it really does help with the acoustics. So over here in my office, this is where I mainly take my office calls and such. But with this review though, I hope you get a good idea of like how you want to set your office up, or maybe your bedroom up. I, for one, just filled my entire wall with wooden slat panels, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Even a year and a half later, I'm still very, very happy with it. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.